And India is marking the 150th year of Vande Mataram, the country's national song. Vande Mataram singing events are being held nationwide from November 7th to 26th, coinciding with Constitution Day. Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Draupadi Murmu and other leaders paid tribute to the national song, highlighting its enduring message of unity. At an event commemorating 150 years of the national song, Prime Minister Modi participated in the singing of the full version. The Prime Minister also released a commemorative stamp and coin on the occasion. The program also marks the formal launch of a year-long nationwide commemoration. Speaking about the emotional and cultural power of the national song, Prime Minister Modi said important lines were dropped from it in 1937 and this sowed the seeds of partition. The Prime Minister described it as a timeless force that unites people across regions and generations, adding that the song embodies the strength and resilience of India.
आजादी की लड़ाई में वंदे मातरम की भावना ने पूरे राष्ट्र को प्रकाशित किया था, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से 1937 में वंदे मातरम के महत्वपूर्ण पदों को उसकी आत्मा के एक हिस्से को अलग कर दिया गया था। वंदे मातरम को तोड़ दिया गया था, उसके टुकड़े किए गए थे। वंदे मातरम के इस विभाजन ने देश के विभाजन के बीज भी बो दिए थे।
As President Draupadi Murmu paid tribute to the composition, she recalled its origins and influence. The Indian President described the song as a proclamation of emotional consciousness and unity, and urged citizens to preserve its spirit for generations to come. Union Home Minister Amit Shah called it the voice of India's soul. He noted that it united the nation during the struggle for independence and continues to ignite the eternal flame of nationalism in the hearts of the countrymen. Written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in 1875, Vande Mataram is an ode to the motherland and it inspired India's freedom movement. The song first appeared in the literary journal Ganga Darshan as part of Chattopadhyay's novel Anand Mad. Rabindranath Tagore sang it at the 1896 Congress session in Calcutta. In 1950, it was adopted as India's national song. Even after 150 years, the song continues to evoke unity, pride, and patriotism among Indians.